feel we are getting a lot of inquiry from the market. It was quite slow in the month of June, July, August. Now it is picking up. We are getting a lot of inquiries, and we feel that the market is really warming up. Few of them materialized, and many of them on pipeline, which will be materializing in another 1 or 2 months time.
Okay. I think I just saw from that beginning into the India market. Well, during this several year, we've been feeling the economics getting up. Also, the India's industry for the construction equipment also have a lot of his own brand. Also, I think the recent years the increase is not that much, but from now, from the recent the several months, we get a lot of input from the market. So I think the market will warm up maybe next year.
See, last exhibition we have introduced anti-collision systems for the tower cranes, which has picked up the market. We could able to sell about 35-40 units to various big companies like L&T, Billy Moria, Soba Developers Limited. Many companies we supplied this system, and it is working successfully. Now the demand for a tower crane camera system has come up in the market. So we have associated with the same company called Hitech. They are in this market in China from last 25 years. So their product is proven in China for the height of about 600 meters. So 200 floor buildings, it is already proven. So we have introduced the same camera system in this exhibition. So far nobody has introduced a tower crane camera system. In this, this camera system can move along with the trolley.
Oh, that's good.
This camera is connected with a battery and a solar charging system. So it can move on the crane, and it will be always viewing to view the hook which is lifting the load. So in the building industry, most of the operator cannot see where the load is lifting because of the obstruction of buildings and structures. So due to this camera system, it has a night vision also. In the night also they can view the lifting loads to improve the safety of the machines and people. This is a quite new innovation in India, and it is worthwhile for any company. Most of the companies in the world use the camera system. Unfortunately, it is not available in India. Now this is the time to introduce it and ask the people to use it. Any tower crane, any make, any model, this camera can be fitted. Whether it is flat top or top kit or luffing cranes, any cranes, the camera system can be used. No modification is required, ready to fit with any tower crane. We have a team of engineers who is trained on these electronic systems, anti-collision devices, and now introduced camera systems. We are providing, since the volume is very less, we are providing the services centralized from Mumbai. But so far we didn't face any big problem on these systems. SYM tower cranes, we sold quite a few luffing cranes in Mumbai, 4 units of 8 tons and some 4 or 6 units of 10-ton luffing cranes. Last 2 years this is working all right. But the big tower crane requirement, SYM is manufacturing from 8 ton to 64 tons capacity. And they have already stopped the small cranes segment like 4 ton, 5 ton, 6 ton. All these cranes they already stopped because of the competition in the international market. They are from the beginning itself, they are specialized on bigger machines and special application machines. Like they supplied many tower cranes to Paharpur cooling tower with wire rope anchoring system for a height of 180 meters. That is quite, they are famous for that type of special application cranes. Also they are famous for the big tower cranes. Now the market is getting a boom, and I think next year will be a good market for SYM tower cranes.
Sure, I think the reason we choose the Everest company not only because of the marketing ability, also their service ability. They are very good qualified technicians. Yeah, we can negotiate very well, and they serve my customer very well. Yeah. So I think we will further concentrate our cooperation? Since we have already cooperated nearly 3 years.
Yeah, about 3 years, yes. Yeah, because they have selected me because of the service backup what we are providing to almost all companies. Not only for SYM tower cranes, we provide services to Zoomland tower cranes, SCM tower cranes. The people are sometimes into big trouble to get an engineer to rectify their problems in the construction industry. So we used to provide the service. We started as a service company, but today we are a service organization. We are certified by the CRISIL with moderate financial capability and service capability. So that is why they selected me, our company, as their partner. In the coming years, we will expand the service network because the demand is very high in this industry, because sales has increased in Indian market and next year again it will improve. But most of the corporate companies, big giants in the market, they don't want to increase their service setup. So of course the customer will suffer. In that case, we have a good opportunity to serve them, and we can improve our service setup.
So
the service requirement mostly required in NCR and Mumbai, and of course in the eastern region. Southern region, plenty of service people are available. Different agencies are available. In Delhi also some agencies are available, but they are not capable to cater everybody on time. Time is very important for this construction industry, because these machines are used for the concreting and lifting of machinery. Suppose some machine is breakdown, hundreds of people will be idle. So that is why sudden quick response on the service is a mandatory for this type of equipment.
you cannot afford downtime, so of course.
Yes, that is why the service industry has to grow. There is no other way.